What's going on? My name is Jordan Pride. I'm from Cleveland, Ohio. I've been drumming since I was 6 years old, so I've been drumming for about 15 years. Currently, I'm an independent artist, so I do live shows and then recording drums on songs for people that need it in the studio as well. And for both of those situations, my choice of stick are going to be the 5B Collision Drumsticks. These are the perfect fit for me for the weight and then the durability aspect as well. These are my go-tos. And with that being said, I'm happy to announce that I will officially be signing with Collision Drumsticks. Some of my favorite things about this company is the family aspect that they have. They want to help you grow as an artist. They want to help you grow in any aspect that you want to do. So whether it's meeting with new people and networking with different artists, or if it's just getting your name out there or getting a new song out there, they'll help you do that no matter what. Another one of my favorite things about the sticks is how reliable they are. Knowing that you're behind the kit playing a hard song and that the sticks aren't going to break is one of the biggest confidences you can have in the stick itself. Lastly, my absolute favorite part about the company is the fact that it makes it so easy to be able to talk to other drummers that are signed as well. This is a big deal to me because it's not just you and a company, it's not just you and the brand, it's you with the other drummers that are signed as well that you have access to 24/7. So if you have a question about a song or you want an opinion on a drum fill, you have access to them no matter what, and you can contact them whenever you need. In this next clip, I'm going to be showing a video of me playing probably about 5 or 6 years ago with this exact pair of sticks from Collision that are still in perfect shape today. I can still play with them whenever I want for practice, which again just shows how durable they are. Peace.